So not much happened today. Check it out. Oh, ho, 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 boom. That's what demolition of an old historic building looks like. And I gotta tell you, that wood is amazing. It's in such great shape, it looks like, for all the years this place has been standing. Wow. You spin around here. Get back over here. Check that out. Pieces of the bathroom. Ooh. You have a see-through bathroom. Before this is over, you're going to come to love my Harlonisms. All right, I don't know. Just taking a look at what's in the structure there. Look at this. It's your lath and plaster on the other side in good shape still. Looking good, looking good. Really looks good, actually. Inside these old bones, and booyah! Oh my goodness. Okay, remember, the wall over here on the left side here, this wall, is going to be concrete. It's going to be the firewall. So it's very limited in terms of things that can be done in that space. Just get out of here. There you go. Check it out. Didn't get to see what's under the floor yet. Tomorrow's the big day. But it's definitely been added, of course, raised. There you go. Ooh, the old border wallpaper. I might point out zero installation. Zero. But as you've mentioned regarding the kitchen, who would have it with as hot as this place is heated with the boiler? Okay, that's it for today.